everyone. Please be advised that the 8:30 p.m. curfew will now be in full effect starting tonight. And don't forget, we're watching.
Allison, I'm afraid your brother has learned of my treason. In order to protect the work that we've accomplished so far, I must disappear immediately. You must wait exactly 1 year from today before you come and find me in the condemned sectors of Echoland. Never give up the fight, Allison. I'm sorry it had to come to this.
Allison, if you're seeing this video, you've arrived at my laboratory. I'm sorry I kept it a secret from you. The risk was far too great. Promise me your brother will never discover this place. If he knew of this secret, all that we've hoped for, all that we've fought for would be lost. We must continue to fight, Allison. What you see before you is my life's work. I've named them the Jabbawockezz. These soldiers will help you on your mission so that order can be restored to the city, with or without your brother. Before you begin your journey, you must awaken the Jabbawockezz. Their core cerebral functions can only be activated by you reciting your favorite verse from your favorite poem. I hope you remember it. It's up to you to start the revolution. It is up to you to begin the regeneration. I love you with all of my heart, and I will always be watching over you. Never give up the fight, Allison. I believe in you.
Be aware of the Jabbawocke, my son. The sound that bites, the beats that catch. But beware the mock-step bird. And shun the infamous Dreamer Snatch.
Who are you?